Israel and Fiji have a wonderful relationship based on mutual respect and above all an appreciation to the role of Fiji in the peacekeeping forces in the region of the Middle East. We have a lot of admiration, respect for the cooperation and the understanding for Fiji. And even though we are so far apart geographically, it's interesting to see that this relationship evolved throughout the years and remains strong and solid all the time. There are two specific areas in which Israel tried to share information and know-how with Fiji. The first area is, of course, health. Israel has a very advanced medical services, and in many ways we believe that throughout the years we accumulate a lot of understanding how to deal with certain issues. That's the reason I'm here. I'm going to see Dr. Neil Sharma, your health minister, in the next few hours to see how we can enhance the cooperation between Israel and Fiji. We intend to have a few physicians on the ground in Fiji from Israel and from the Jewish community in Australia to see in what way we can find a new area of collaboration and cooperation between the two countries. And of course, another major element is area of agriculture. Israel is an arid zone area and has done an outstanding accomplishment and achievements in the area of agriculture. We strongly believe that there is a lot of room of cooperation between the two countries based on our knowledge and expertise that was developed in the Middle East. Israel has an enormous respect to the Fijian soldier and troops. This is not the first time that we have Fijian troops in our borders. Fijian troops were stationed in Lebanon, were stationed in Sinai, and now in the Golan Heights. For it's almost a natural involvement of the support of Fiji giving to the peacekeeping forces throughout the region. And of course, the most important, playing a very, very vital role in stability throughout the region of the Middle East. And for us, there's only room of respect and gratitude for the forces of Fiji, those in the Golan Heights. We have talked about future area of cooperation. How can we further enhance this relationship? Given the situation in the Middle East, we of course discussed the matter of Syria and Sinai, and we basically work together to make sure that your guys on the ground remain safe and sound.